Morning coffee on the patio, peaceful nature views, and miles of scenic walking trails. Welcome to life in the Villages of Garrison Creek. This beautifully designed home features an open concept layout perfect for both everyday comfort and entertaining. The kitchen offers granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and generous prep space that flows easily into the living and dining areas. 2 sets of sliding doors create a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle, opening to a covered patio and private outdoor retreat surrounded by tranquil, park-like scenery. The spacious primary suite also enjoys direct patio access, offering a quiet place to start and end your day. Residents of this sought-after community enjoy nearly 3 miles of paved walking trails winding along Garrison Creek and surrounding ponds. If you've been looking for comfort, convenience, and peaceful surroundings, this home delivers.